how long you've been doing? कितने साल से कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, I've been doing this Yog Nidra, I think, for more than a year.
What problems you were facing before and how it has helped you?
After doing this Yog Nidra,
Mhm.
I get better sleep. Earlier, I used to have very disturbed sleep, and also not for very long periods. Like, and now the only unless it's something something which has happened, or some event, that I get disturbed sleep. Otherwise, I have a sound sleep, and I have average 7 hours of sleep.
Amazing, amazing. And is
And
there any difference in your sugar which has come in the last 1 year?
yes. What I feel is that not only your Yog Nidra,
Mhm.
which has sort of disciplined me and calmed my mind,
Mhm.
but even this yoga asana in the morning, which I do, Puja Singh's yoga
Right,
asana, these
right.
two, I feel they have affected me in a positive way, to such an extent that now,
Mhm.
because I have control over my diet also,
Lovely.
my blood sugar is approaching normal. Like it's 120s में ऐसे आता है,
Amazing.
and sometimes 90s, sometimes 103 ऐसे आता है PP. And fasting is say 120 आ रहा है या 124 आ रहा है. That is if I eat white rice, एक दिन एक
Amazing.
रात.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
If I have control over my diet, which I have these days,
Uh-huh.
then my blood sugar is within these normal ranges. Otherwise, if I'm traveling, then I have no control over the diet. तब थोड़ा problem हो जाता है.
Right. But so this has affected you positively and you are
Yes.
practicing on your own as well, right?
Yes, I practice on my own also.
That is
Yeah.
amazing. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your experience, Nandini ji.
I mean, you are a real gem. I tell you,
Uh-huh.
the information which you give us,
Uh-huh.
that is very useful. Like, for example, your salt bath. I'm not doing it as such. Okay. And many other things which you've taught us, they are invaluable.
So thank you so much. As a teacher, it's amazing to listen to all these beautiful compliments. But definitely, I also am grateful that all the students, I notice who's coming almost more than a year now, and that's why Sugarfit as a team, they've asked like people have been practicing for so long. So take the feedback, how it is helping. What should we add on more? So they will
Yeah.
also go on with their research.
Okay. One thing I want to tell you,
Mhm.
I told Pooja Singh also
Mhm.
that, although my blood sugar is coming down to normal, but
Mhm.
I intend to extend my program for another, say, 3 months or 6 months. 6 months.
Amazing.
Why?
Mhm.
Only because of your Yog Nidra and her yoga session in the morning.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Nandini ji, for sure. Thank you so much for your time and sharing this. Thank you.